The Cambrian explosion, the day Earth suddenly came alive. Imagine a world of silence, not the silence of an empty room, but the silence of an entire planet. No roar of predators, no rustle of creatures moving through water, no eyes scanning the darkness for danger. For billions of years, that was Earth. A vast, ancient world covered in water and rock, where the most complex thing alive was too small to see with the naked eye. Then something happened. Something that scientists have spent their entire careers trying to explain, and still, to this day, cannot fully answer. About 540 million years ago, life on Earth did something it had never done before. It exploded. Not in fire and destruction, but in creation, in complexity. In a biological revolution so dramatic, so sudden in geological terms, that scientists gave it one of the most dramatic names in all of science: the Cambrian explosion. To understand just how shocking this event was, you need to understand what came before it. For most of Earth's long history, and we're talking billions of years, life was almost embarrassingly simple. Bacteria drifting in ancient seas, single-celled organisms floating in the dark, ultra-simple plant-like life clinging to rocks. Nothing with a face, nothing with a purpose, nothing that could look back at you. Earth was alive, but barely. Then the Cambrian period arrived, and evolution seemed to wake up from a billions of years-long sleep. Suddenly, and in geological time, suddenly truly means suddenly. Creatures began appearing with features that had never existed before on this planet. Eyes. For the first time in Earth's history, something could see. Brains. For the first time, something could think. Skeletons. Hard shells. Armored bodies. Claws. Legs. Fins. Complex biological machinery that appeared almost out of nowhere, in what scientists estimate was a relatively tiny window of geological time. In the blink of a cosmic eye, Earth went from a planet of invisible microbes to a planet teeming with the ancestors of nearly every creature alive today. Worms, fish, insects, crustaceans, trace any of them back far enough through the family tree of life, and you will find yourself standing at the doorstep of the Cambrian period. So what caused it? Here is where the mystery deepens, because the truth is, nobody knows for certain. Some scientists point to oxygen. In the period leading up to the Cambrian explosion, oxygen levels in Earth's atmosphere were rising and finally beginning to stabilize. And oxygen, as we know, is the fuel of complex life. Without it, large, active, energy-hungry creatures simply cannot exist. Perhaps the theory goes, once the oxygen was ready, life was finally free to reach its full potential. But that explanation opens another door to another mystery, because scientists aren't entirely sure why the oxygen stabilized when it did either. Others believe it wasn't just one factor, but a perfect storm of conditions arriving at the same time. Earth's temperature was rising. Shallow coastal waters were forming across the planet. Warm, sunlit environments that became the perfect nurseries for new life to experiment and evolve. A world that had once been too cold, too deep, and too hostile for complexity was slowly becoming a place where complexity could thrive. And so life took its chance. In what remains one of the most astonishing events in the 4 billion year history of this planet, evolution shifted gears in a way it never had before, and never quite has since. The diversity of life that emerged from that single ancient moment still walks, swims, crawls, and flies across Earth today. We are all, in some way, children of the Cambrian explosion. The question that keeps scientists awake at night isn't just what happened 540 million years ago. It's the question that hides just beneath the surface of all of it. What if it had never happened at all? This has been Earth Mysteries Uncovered. If this story made you see this planet differently, you already know what to do. Subscribe, and let's keep uncovering the secrets beneath your feet.